like this brand, but some of these products I actually don't like. So hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Brenda. I'm an esthetician here on YouTube. And if you're not new, hi, thank you for watching my videos. I'm back with another review because a lot of people have been asking me to do more review videos. There are tons of brands out there. There are so many skincare brands that, girl. Anyways, because I'm rambling, I could talk a lot. Today's video is a review of the brand The Glow Recipe. The Glow Goddesses. So the Glow Recipe was started by Sarah and Christina, which I believe they are best friends or they work together. They went on Shark Tank to get the funding to start and launch their brand, The Glow Recipe. And after that, later in 2017, which I got my notes. Like I said, I'm trying to make sure I'm accurate. In 2017, they launched the Glow Recipe, and they launched with the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, and they also launched with the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So that's a little bit about the brand, but out of the 10 products in the product line, or maybe it's more than 10 products, I have tried only 4. And the 4 products that I have tried are as follows: the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, the PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Watermelon Toner, and the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. So we are gonna go in sequential order, and I'm gonna start with first the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. That's a lot. If you see my videos and it looks like I'm struggling to pronounce these names, like I am struggling. I'm struggling. The key ingredients in this actual product, which I actually have the empty packaging for it, is this. This is the product. And the key ingredients in this actual product are as follows: papaya extract, blueberry extract, papaya seed oil, and chamomile oil. These are just the few various ingredients that you'll see at the top of the ingredient list. And also something to note, which I have not mentioned, I don't think I've mentioned it. I have short term, I'll be forgetting stuff, y'all. But when you see the 3 lines of a actual ingredient list, those are the 3 most important lines. Those are things that are put in higher concentration and in the order that they're put into an actual product. So those 3 lines matter. That means that those ingredients are in higher concentration and they are going to actually be the products that you get the full benefits of, basically. Don't quote me on this. I'm not a cosmetic chemist, but that basically is the truth. The 3 lines, the top 3 lines are the most important. That's what you're getting, the higher concentrated ingredients. So with this, it has papaya extract. Papaya is a well-known enzyme. I talked about papaya, I believe. Did I? Yes. See, I told y'all for your stuff. In the Pharrell skincare line, in their Lotus Flower exfoliator, they actually had 4 different enzymes, one of them including papaya. So papaya is a well-known enzyme. Enzymes are the way our skin naturally dissolves dead skin. It breaks down dead skin, which is known as keratin if you want to get, politically correct. This has papaya in it. So off the gate, this is going to help to really just gently exfoliate the skin, just very gently, and this helps soften the skin overall. This also has blueberry extract, blueberry, as well as all berries, strawberry, raspberry. They're all antioxidant rich. Antioxidants help to protect the skin from further damage, specifically any free radical damage. I am not one to explain free radical damage to you. That's why I never have. But basically, free radical damage happens in various ways, and we want to prevent that. And that also helps to prevent aging of the skin, or slows down the process of aging. It also has chamomile oil. Chamomile is known to help to soothe the skin. Also, I believe chamomile is anti-inflammatory, but it's just made to soothe the skin of any like redness or irritation. So that's really great. I personally, right off the gate with this product, I did not care for this product. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I initially used this product, I scooped it out, I used it on my skin, on dry skin of course, worked it in circular motions, and then when I went to go and rinse this product off, just like when I rinse off all my other cleansing oils or oil balms, this product was such a hard product to rinse off. And I'm not trying to be like really, harsh on this brand and this product, but personally, when I went to go rinse this off my skin, it literally took like, I am not exaggerating, I kid you not, it took like about 5-10 times just to get all of this off my skin. And it just did not do an effective job of removing my makeup, in my opinion. I feel like I really had to go back in with another, cleansing oil or oil balm. So next is the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. So the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, the key ingredients in this cleanser is blueberry extract, hyaluronic acid, AHAs like glycolic and lactic, and seaweed extract. So with this product, blueberry extract is really great. Like I mentioned in the other product, which is a cleansing oil balm, blueberry is an antioxidant, so it helps to prevent any damage, specifically free radical damage, but also it's rich in various vitamins, so it's really great with strengthening the health of the overall skin. It also has hyaluronic acid. Everyone knows about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid literally was like the favorite word of 2000 and like I think 19, because everybody's like hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is great. It's a humectant. It naturally occurs within our skin. It helps to bind 1,000 times its weight in water mass, so it's super hydrating. And they have that in this cleanser. They also have AHAs, glycolic and lactic in this cleanser. Glycolic and lactic are common known AHAs that are used in various different serums, as well as cleansers, toners, and also moisturizers. And with glycolic and lactic, glycolic is a lighter weight acid that is really great for those that are more oily, acne prone. It also has lactic. Lactic is another AHA that is really great. It exfoliates very gently, opposed to glycolic, and it helps with hyperpigmentation, increasing hydration, texture, all of that. Both of these acids, are really, really great. This also has seaweed extract. Seaweed and algae in general is really great, mineral rich, restorative, helps to restore the skin's natural moisture, and also rich in various vitamins. So initially, I'm gonna be honest, when I tried this cleanser, I did not like it. So with this cleanser, initially, like I said, I love the ingredient list, but when I use this cleanser, it came out like a little gel string. So it's not like a lightweight liquid gel texture. It's more like the gel that my mama used to use on my hair back in the day. Like y'all know the clear gel, this one. Then it came out like a snake, and then it fell on like my sink, and then I tried again, pumped a little bit, rubbed it to my hands. It just has like this very thick gel, like hair gel texture. I don't personally like that. I will say this is a good cleanser. So the next product is the PHA/BHA Pore Watermelon Toner. So I come bearing good news. I love this one. I mentioned this product in my skincare products that I've been loving lately because I honestly really love this product. Key ingredients is PHA, BHA, cactus water, hyaluronic acid, tea tree extract, and cucumber. Those are the key ingredients. So the PHA and BHA combination are a really great combination in my opinion. I like to see a combination of different acids. I've mentioned this in multiple videos about, I like a combination of different acids. Although the, products, obviously I mentioned The Ordinary and other brands like Paula's Choice, they have one acid or maybe like two acid combinations. I personally do like 2 to 3 different various acids because acids work on different levels of the skin. But PHA is a very, very gentle exfoliating acid. It's even more gentle than AHA. Lightly exfoliates the skin, helps with texture, helps with increased hydration within the skin, helps with hyperpigmentation and all of that. And BHA, which I love, BHA, also known as salicylic acid, is a really great exfoliating acid, especially for those that are more oily combination and also those that deal with acne, because BHA is actually able to penetrate deep into the skin just like with glycolic acid, and this actually dissolves oil buildup in the skin. So it's really great for all of my oily folks out there like me. This also has cactus water. Cactus water is a humectant, so it helps to hydrate the skin, and this is also mineral rich as well. This also has hyaluronic acid. So like I mentioned, hyaluronic acid naturally occurring within the skin, a humectant, a hydrator, so it just helps to hydrate the skin and help the skin retain moisture, which is super important. This also has tea tree extract. Tea tree is something I have not talked about, but people know about tea tree, especially those that are more oily and acne prone. They covet tea tree. Pure tea tree, not my favorite. You need to dilute it, but tea tree is really great. Tea tree is antiseptic, meaning that it prevents any bacterial growth, which bacteria is a huge contributor to acne, as well as it's antimicrobial, which means that it basically can kill bacteria growth within the skin, which is great for all my acne folks out there. The product is a liquid texture. When you look at it in the bottle and you shake it, it's a liquid texture, but when you actually apply it, it comes out like a thicker serum type of product, which I personally love. I mentioned before, I love serums. Serums are really great, especially because they are highly concentrated with the different ingredients that they have in it. And serums, I just love serums. So this is actually a hybrid. I definitely will say with this product, my skin looked significantly more radiant with continued use, and you can definitely see a textural difference. So if you are someone that, like I said, is a more of an oily, acne prone skin type and you have a lot of texture, this is definitely going to help with that texture, of course, because of the acid combination, but it's just really, really nice. Like, it's a nice product and your skin feels super soft. So the last product that I want to mention from the brand The Glow Recipe is their watermelon pink juice moisturizer. So I actually have the empty packaging of this moisturizer because I purchased this a couple times. So with the watermelon pink juice moisturizer, a couple key ingredients is watermelon, of course, hyaluronic acid, jasmine, and pony. A lot of people have been seeing a lot of watermelon in a lot of different products. I guess people just really like watermelons. All ingredients have their moment, like literally, but it's mineral rich and rich in various vitamins. It's also a humectant, so it's hydrating, so it helps to help the skin retain moisture. Hyaluronic acid is in this. Hyaluronic acid is in all of their products, as you can see. So it's, like I said, a humectant, a hydrator. Has jasmine and pony. Jasmine is known to be, I believe, soothing, as well as ponies, I believe, is known to be soothing as well. This also has wheat protein, just like with peptides, which peptides are proteins. Wheat protein is really great at really nourishing the skin. Gel moisturizers where they absorb into the skin and you feel like your skin is still thirsty. No, I feel like when I use this, the 3, 4, 5 times that I purchased this, my skin always felt super moisturized. So that, and my mouth is dry, I need some water. That girl needs milk. But that was all of the products that I've tried from the brand The Glow Recipe. If there were some products that I would suggest that you check out from the brand, those products would have to be the watermelon pink juice moisturizer, the PHA BHA pore tightening toner, and the, even though I don't care for it a lot, but you may, because I've heard good people like it, the papaya sorbet enzyme cleansing balm, which is a mouthful. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of the brand The Glow Recipe. Make sure that you like my videos. I feel like I'm gonna start saying this at the beginning of all my videos, y'all, because thank you guys so much for watching. As always, Bye bye.